Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the next question. Number 26, NEET Physics paper 2014. Students, let us solve the next question, number 26. Two cities are 150 km apart. One city is here, another city is here. And the distance is 150 km. Electric power is sent from one city to another city through copper wire. Suppose this is a wire through which the electric current is sent. The fall of potential per kilometer is 8 volt. So the fall of potential drop over distance is 8 volt per kilometer. This is the drop. This is the potential gradient. The average resistance per kilometer. So resistance per kilometer is 0.5 ohm per kilometer. The power loss in the wire is how much? This is a wire, it's a resistor. Just like in our potentiometer wire, there is a potential drop along the length of the wire. Every kilometer 8 volt per is a drop. So there is 150 kilometers. How much is drop? That is the potential difference. The potential difference across the copper wire is 150 kilometer into 8 volt per kilometer. So this is 1200 volt. So this is the voltage potential difference across these two, because the drop is 1200 volt, so the difference is 1200 volt. So I can write that if I want to find the power loss formula is power loss in a resistor can be written as V square over R, I square R, or V into I. I have to find R, and R is what? V equals to IR. But what is R actually? R is the resistance of the copper wire used. This wire has resistance. It's given that 0.5 ohm per kilometer and the wire is 150 kilometer. So the resistance will be 150 kilometer and 0.5 ohm per kilometer. In 1 kilometer this resistance, in 150 kilometer how much resistance? You multiply that. So this much ohm, half, this is 75 ohm. So I have got the value of R and I have got the value of V, which is 1200 volt. So I have V, I have R. I can use this formula without doubt. If I do that, the power loss equals to 1200 into 1200 divided by 75. If I do that, then 25 3s are and 25.
सर वो पेज साइड में रखिए और सर आप दिख रहे हैं ना दिख रहे नहीं है कैमरे में स्टार्ट
25 3s are 75 and 25 4s are 100, so this will cancel and it will become 4 is 100, 25 4s are 100, and 12 was already there, so it is 12 into 4, 3 here, again it is 4 here, 16 into this, 16 into 1200. This is the power loss coming out. So power loss is 16 and 1200. So basically 12 and 16 I have to multiply. Okay, 16 and 12. $192 and 2 zeros. So ultimately 19200. This much of watt. If I see the option, then I have power loss. It should be in. This is not possible because this is joule. Power loss is not in joule. This is in kilowatt given, and if I convert this into kilowatt, I have to divide this by 1000. 2020 goes. 192 divided by 10 is 19.2. This will be in kilowatt. So 19.2 kilowatt. So therefore this is the correct answer to this question. 19.2. You should have also, you could have gone for this formula, that is I square R. You can go for this also. You can find what is the current flowing also, because from here I can find I equals to V over R. V I have got 1200 and R I have got 75. So 25 3s are and 25 4s are. 3 4s are. So this is 16. So current is 16 ampere. If current is 16 ampere, then 16 times 16 into R, then also that will give you the same answer. Okay. So the answer to this question is 19.2 kilowatt. Okay. Thank you.